Okay, here we are with my dad's old coffee maker.
Yes.
Ow. Dibs on the rest. Come on. Stop it. My turn. Okay, get out of here. Okay, it's your turn. I am Jesus, hear me roar! You bat bastard. There we go. How come there was metal inside of there?
I don't know.
Oh, screw it. What can we do with this? Oh, this is heavy. That's perfect. Oh, damn it! Pass me the rest. Okay. Here, I'll move this up so it doesn't break the tile. Ready? Yeah. Sweet. I barely even got that. Okay. Wonder if he wants us to break it with this. Oh well.
Man, we're gonna have a lot of stuff to clean up.
How's that?
Huh?
How's that?
Well, I'm curious, how many cups was that?
How many cups was what?
That coffee maker?
I don't know. Wait,
Too
let's
late
see
now.
if it's still here.
Want a cup of Joe?
No, it'll say on the side of the machine.
Well, the
Oh, well, the
machine's
machine's
gone.
kind of done.
No, but it'll say there. Grab a piece. I think it's 8.
Well, good guess.
Yeah, too bad we'll never know.
Time to go find the...
Okay, wait. Okay, do you have the rest of this?
What?
I'm gonna break this bit.
Amazing.
Nope. Awesome.
Tires! Okay. I missed!
Good for you.
Here's some 3D effects.
Whoa, that was awesome.
Oh, frisbee!
Pass. Yeah.
Kind of looks like an ant.
Whoa, holy crap.
Woo!
Champion. Wow, that was like a boomerang. Wow, that looks gay. What did you even do?
Shoots the J.
Oh, that was way off. Hold on.
We have to post this on Facebook.
Sure. Watch out. Ow. Ow. This is gonna be hard to clean up.
Indeed.
Oh well, screw. Ah.
Oh God, it's stuck.
It's too big for the tool to handle. There's tons of tiny little bits around here.
These water guns work anymore?
No. Well, maybe. There's another one. My dad got the exact same one.
No, I don't think they work anymore. We should smash them. Oh, that one works.
Barely.
It's gonna be really hard to clean up.
Yeah, oh well, we'll just get a broom and a dustpan. Or a Swiffer.
Or a vacuum. Wait. It's for all the people on Facebook.
Wait, hold. Yes. Hold on.